Welcome back to HCT Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily extract and copy text from any image, screenshot, or scanned document on your computer. Many times, we take a screenshot or a photo of a document. Later, we want the text from that image, but we can't select or copy it because it's just a picture, not editable text. So in this video, I'll show you two simple and effective ways to get text from images. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because these tips will save you a lot of time. Method 1. Using Snipping tool built in Windows. Windows 10 and 11 come with a tool called Snipping tool. It helps you capture part of your screen. Here's how to use it to extract text. 1. Press Shift plus Windows plus S on your keyboard. 2. The screen will dim. Select the camera mode, not video. 3. Choose rectangular snip. 4. Use your mouse to draw a box around the text you want to capture. 5. When you release the mouse, it takes a screenshot and saves it to the clipboard. Now, click on Markup and Share at the bottom to open the Snipping tool editor. If you don't see it, check your taskbar and open it from there. Step 2. Extract text using OCR. Inside the editor, you'll see a small icon at the bottom. Hover your mouse over it. It says Text Actions. Click on it. Snipping tool will now scan the image and use OCR optical character recognition to find the text. Then, just click Copy all text. It may look like nothing happened, but the text is now copied to your clipboard. Now open Notepad and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. You'll see the extracted text, editable and ready to use. Where can you use this text? Paste it into a support form. Search it on Google. Send an email or message. Save in Word or Excel, or simply keep in Notepad. Important: OCR is not always perfect. OCR works well, but sometimes it makes small mistakes, especially with handwriting or fancy fonts. So always proofread the text before using it. To get better results, zoom in before taking the screenshot. Press Ctrl++. Make sure the image is clear and readable. Method 2. Using ChatGPT or AI tools. Now let's look at a modern way, using ChatGPT or other AI tools to extract text, even from handwritten notes. Let's say you have a scanned image with text like this. Copy the image into ChatGPT. Type a prompt like, "Extract the text from this image." Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you the clean text. Now, if you want to separate the text into two columns, before and after the equal sign, just type, "Split this text into two columns based on the equal sign." You'll get a neat two-column list. Copy that text. and paste it into Excel. Now you can add serial numbers, filters, or do any other data editing. Just remember, always review the data. If you find mistakes, correct them. Conclusion. So today, you learned how to extract text from images, how to use Snipping tool and OCR, and how ChatGPT can help you read and organize image text. These tools save time and help you avoid manual typing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which method worked best for you. See you in the next video.